Hello and welcome. In the next few minutes we're going to show you how to translate your Sitecore website using the Beebox from Wordbee. Here we have a sample site that was made in Sitecore, and in the following pages we're going to go through the process of how you choose the content and get this site ready for translation. And here you can see the Sitecore desktop. Now, once you've installed the Beebox connector, you'll see that you have some new options when you go and click on your Sitecore desktop. And if you see here, we have a new link for Beebox Content Selector, Beebox Job Manager, and Beebox Settings. And now I can then begin to manage translations from within the Sitecore very easily. Here is the Sitecore content tree, and I can go in here and I have another option which says Beebox, and if I want to translate this I can click Translate. This is then added to the content selector, and from within the content selector we can then have more ability to choose precisely which part of the website we want to translate. Now let's take a closer look at the content selector. The content selector gives me extra options to filter which content I want to translate. It allows us to filter by target language, by template, and by translation status. For this particular project, we are translating into French and Chinese. And we can then select the entire set of content and add this to the cart, so that the translation administrator can further forward this on for translation. In the next stage, we're going to navigate to the Job Manager. In the Job Manager, we have extra steps to follow to filter the content to finally send for translation. So in the Job Manager, I have various states and translation status. I want to check everything that needs to be sent for translation. So I'm going to select all the content, and I'm then going to send to Beebox. A job details page will then open, and in here you can put the name of the project, a delivery date, and any message you would like to send to your translation suppliers. You can choose a date and you can choose a time to keep it very specific. And once the translation is ready, you can click on Check Translation Status. And now we're going to have a look at how your new localized websites will look. So here is the original English website. And now here we can see a French version. And we can now see our Chinese version as well. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to contact us to find out more, please send us an email to info@wordbee.com. We look forward to speaking with you and learning more about your requirements. Thank you. Goodbye.